Bote Sangonini, Kombona Nanga et Juliette, Nabutina Cameroun, et Nasa Namboula 25 ans, et 25 ans, Tukumi Bale Namide, Nayebi Koloba Ki anglais, français, espagnol, portugais, Namoke Moke Lingala, et Nalingi Congo. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. As you guys know, I had stated about a year ago that I was planning on learning an African language, and I finally decided to learn a language, and I chose to learn Lingala. Why did I choose Lingala? Because I chose Lingala because it is a language that I have always liked, because I grew up listening to a lot of Congolese music, Awilo Lungomba, Kofi Olomide, all these artists, Makoma, I'm pretty sure they're from Congo. Anyway, so I grew up listening to a lot of these languages, and I really liked the way it sounded in music, and I always said that if I wanted to learn an African language, it would most likely be Lingala or my mother tongue. Now, I chose Lingala because there is a lot more resources online for me to learn it. I am actually self-teaching right now, so I use I go online and I printed a list of words, and I learn like 10 to 20 words every day. And I'm also listening to Lingala Institute here on YouTube, and that's helping me learn the language too. So I am very excited about that. I know quite a few things. Like, I know a bunch of verbs to be, kozala, the verb to like, kolinga, the verb to know, koleba, the verb to know is no, to speak is koleba, I believe. To know is koyebi, koyeba. Koyeba is to know, and to speak is koloba. I can count up to 1,000, but I'm just gonna count to like 20 right now. Moko, mibale, misatu, mine, mitano, sambo, sambo motoba, sambo motoba, mwambe libwa, zomi. Zomina moko, zomina mile, zomina moko, zomina mibale, zomina misatu, zomina mine, zomina mitano, zomina sambo, zomina motoba, zomina mwambe, zomina libwa, and tuku mibale. I know a few words here and there. Of course, I know how to say my mom, Mama Nangai. And yeah, so it's pretty exciting to learn a new language. I also wanted to learn an African language so that I could also teach that to my Yeni. I did not grow up speaking any African languages, but I really would want that to be something that my son can do. So that's one of the other reasons. Now, difficulties I am currently facing with Lingala is the sentence structure. Now, because I've been so used to learning either Germanic languages like English, even a bit of German, and Romance languages like Spanish, French, Portuguese, the way the sentences are structured are quite different from Bantu languages. And so I am still here trying to figure out the sentence structure for Lingala. So that is one of the challenges that I am currently facing. Now, if any of you guys speak Lingala, let me know how my pronunciation was in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll keep you guys updated as I learn more and become more fluent in the language. So you guys will definitely see another video in a couple of months showing my progress in the language. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section.